Hello viewers, this is IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to allow stick tracking prevention on Microsoft Edge browser. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To allow stick tracking prevention on Microsoft Edge browser, click on three dot icon on upper right corner, click on settings, click on privacy, search and services. You will find tracking prevention option here, and by default is balanced is recommended. Now you can select strict from here, or you will find another option, always use strict tracking prevention when browsing in private. Click here to turn on, and now click on strict, and when you select strict, blocks a majority of tracker from all sites. Content and ads will likely have minimal personalizations. Parts of sites might not work, and blocks known harmful trackers. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.